Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through the updated step-by-step process for publishing your Wix website absolutely free in 2025. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your very own website live on the internet without spending a single penny on a domain. Whether you're putting together a portfolio, an online resume, or just getting your business off the ground, this guide will get you published fast and with confidence. So let's jump right in. Once you're happy with the way your website looks, maybe you've added all your images, tweaked the text, and experimented with those design elements, it's time for the big moment, putting your site live. This is where it all starts to feel real. Begin by looking towards the very top right corner of your Wix editor. You should see a bold blue button labeled Publish. The color really stands out, so it's easy to spot. Go ahead and give that a click. Now, here where a lot of people get a little anxious, but don't worry, publishing a site for free with Wix is still 100% possible and really straightforward. After you hit publish, you'll see an option that asks about using a domain. Now, buying a custom domain like yourname.com is awesome for branding and extra credibility, but let's be honest, it can get expensive, especially if you're just starting out or experimenting. The good news is Wix offers you a free alternative. A Wix-branded domain. It's essentially a URL that will look something like username wixsite.com/yoursite. It's free of charge and you can get your work online immediately, no strings attached. So if you don't already have a personal domain, or you simply want to save a bit of money while you work on your project, select the option to use a *Wix domain. The platform will guide you through it, and you'll likely see a choice between connecting your own custom domain or using their free domain. For the purposes of this demo, I'm going with the free Wix domain, just to show you exactly how quick and painless this is. Once you've chosen the free domain, click on Save and Continue. It's that simple. Give Wix a moment to do its thing. Sometimes it takes a few seconds as Wix is pushing your website out to the web. Don't panic if it feels like it's taking a bit. You're just a few steps away from being live. That's really all there is to it. Your website is now officially published and can be visited by anyone with your link. Think of it like sending out the address to your brand new digital apartment. You've decorated it, now you're inviting the world in. You can always come back and make more changes. The beauty of Wix is how easy it is to update and republish whenever you need to. If you want, you can head to the new URL and see your site exactly as your visitors will. Share the link on social media, email it to friends, or just sit back and be proud of what you've built all for free. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped you get your site online, please hit that like button, it really supports the channel. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to see more Wix tutorials, and don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward, up-to-date guides just like this one. Good luck with your new website, and I'll see you in the next video.